What's up everyone, Joe back with Grill Joe's Barbecue, and today we are cooking a little more fish that my buddy brought over. We couldn't cook it the other day because it was frozen, so we're gonna cook it today. And I have a special guest with me, back by popular demand. We have Little Gorilla! Little Gorilla, do you have anything to say to the camera?
Hello!
She's been missing doing videos, so she's back to help with the fish. She's excited because she likes these odd cooks that aren't just regular meat. She likes the weird cooks like the cow tongue and the giant fish. So let's get it out of the fridge. Let's get some gloves on. Well, first thing we gotta do, we're gonna get the charcoal started. We're gonna be cooking this on the Weber kettle. We'll get that charcoal started with a good charcoal company. Then we'll get it hot and nice and fiery, ready to go. Let's get that charcoal going. We're back, the charcoal's going, it's ready. We're gonna start prepping this fish.
Yeah.
Put some gloves on. You don't want your hands smelling like fish all night.
Then the cat will love me.
2 gloves for you, 2 gloves for me. Marceau, you left your box of gloves here. Next time I come in and get my tattoo, I'll bring you a box of gloves. So, also off the last video, if you guys didn't watch it, if that last fish video with Marceau gets 500 likes, I'm going back to him and he's gonna tattoo a fish on me. And he gets to pick it and design it. So guys, my tattoo journey is in your hands. Like the video if you wanna see me go there and get a tattoo. He said I could film it, so keep that in mind. Hello, Mr. Fish. We have a whole, what do you call this? A red rock snapper, red snapper. That's a staple from how they knew which one was his. Check this out. Hello, Aubrey. Burr, 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 burr. Hello. So if you watched the last video, you know where this is from. He caught these on a boat in the ocean off California. Look how cool that is. It's all thawed out now. It was frozen when we had it. See, when they're on the boat, they cut all the insides out, all the guts and stuff, so all that's left is the meat that's on the sides here. So how we're gonna do this, we already washed this last time with a salt bath, so he's ready to go. We're going to slice the fish on both sides, and then we're gonna season it with our pier rub, and then we're gonna stuff this inside with some oranges, lemons, some thyme, everything else, all the good smelling stuff. And we'll throw that on the grill, hot and fast, both sides, until she's done and the skin flakes off. We can eat the inside. Sound good? All right, I'll show you how I'm gonna slice this side, and then I'll let you slice the other side. She's gonna go straight across the fish like this. Skin's a little tough. We never cooked fish like this before, so it's a learning experience for both of us. That's just so we can get some seasoning on the inside. There we go. Look at that meat in there. That fish. Beautiful color right there. Look at that guy. So it's a little tough. You're gonna take this knife in your hand. Remember that blade's super sharp? We're just gonna take it right here, go back and forth. Get that cut in there. It's a little tough. You gotta get through the skin. There you go, that's a good cut. We'll get this one. It's a little tough, you gotta push down while you saw. There you go. Now I'll do one more here.
The struggle.
Maybe this knife isn't very sharp either. This one's not my favorite. There we go. Put some olive oil on it. You wanna rub this in. Rub it into the spots we cut open. There you go.
Oh, it feels so weird.
Feels so weird touching it. I shall slice some of these guys and you can figure out where you're gonna put them on the inside. We're gonna do like those inside the fish somewhere.
Like in there.
Yep, inside that cavity. And you don't have to put all of them in there.
Like 2?
Yeah. Put those in there.
Ooh, I got it.
Yeah, they go in there. Try to put those in there somewhere. Whoa, losing the thyme.
No!
Or this is the rosemary. Smell the rosemary. Put a couple strands in there with that. Stuff some thyme in there.
Putting the grass in a fish.
That will, when we put it out on the fire, that'll almost like burn up and like it'll release the aromas into the fish. Ooh, we should put some butter in there too. I think we
Butter.
have some butter.
Butter.
In the gills, you got, or in there where we made the cuts. Get that seasoning all in there. Insides. Ah, we're losing some.
Yep. You're losing the guts.
Losing the guts. Yeah, get it in there.
Oh, butter.
Good job.
Butter.
I wish we had something to like tie this fish together. Maybe have some skewers or something.
Oh, this is my hair tie.
Not your hair tie, that would cook in the grill.
No.
It's like we got this excess skin and stuff here.
Ooh.
We could just keep this guy closed. All right, I think this guy is ready for the smoke guy. Or not the smoker, the Weber. So Marceau, hopefully we aren't disgracing your fish. I think this is how you told me to cook it. I think it's gonna be good. But all we can do is throw it on the grill and find out. The skin should just pull back when we're done and we'll be able to just eat straight out of this thing. All right, little gorilla, you see how I have the coals on this side? So this side's our really hot side. So we're gonna drop the fish right on that hot side. We're gonna give it a nice sear. So then we'll sear this side and then we're gonna flip it over, sear the other side, and then I'll put it way over here because this will be the cool side of the grill and we'll let it finish. We're gonna start smelling that seasoning and that fish and those herbs and those veggies. It's all just gonna start coming out with good smells. All right, we're gonna take a peek at the other side, little gorilla.
Okay.
Ooh, look at that char. Insides are trying to come out. We want that char on there. All right, now that this side's got a good cheer, we'll flip it over so we can see it. I don't want to flip it over the wrong way though and lose all our insides. Oh yeah, got a good char on that side. We're gonna move this guy to the cold side of the grill, as cold as it can be over here. That butter's melting in there.
Butter. Butter.
And now, and we'll let them cook, just like that. Yep. This is our instant thermopro. I'm gonna put it right inside here. Yeah, we're only reading 72 degrees, but we got that sear on there. So we'll put this on and let it cook. We'll come back when she's ready. Alright, good little gorilla. We're gonna temper. Like Marceau was saying in the last video, this is really high quality fish. So I'm shooting for like a 135. Oh man, we're way over there. So obviously close to the grill, 137 there. It's gonna be a little bit hotter, 130. And the main thing is the skin should just flake off, just like that when we're ready to eat it. So we'll flake that skin off. Isn't that neat?
Don't lose the meat. The meat.
But I can already smell. Ooh, let's look at this. The skin's just gonna come right off.
Whoa, is it hot?
It's a little warm. But that skin, look at that, just skin comes right off. And then that's the meat. Look at that, it comes so easy. I don't think that's gonna come off. Oh, it does. Oh, got a little meat right there.
Hot.
Take a bite of that.
Oh, it's hot.
It's hot.
Very hot.
All right, let's get it inside. Let's get it inside.
Oh my god, they're so good.
All right, little gorilla. You tasted it outside already. That skin's just flaking off. We get that skin off there. Just take your fork. Just get a little bit of fish out of there like that. Let me take this one. Don't eat it yet, we got cheers on.
Oh.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Mm-hmm. I got a little bone.
A bone?
Yeah, if you go too deep, you'll get bone. But yeah, that is so good. Just comes right off.
Comes right after your fork.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's a little spicy from that spice.
I like it.
I'm just gonna use my fingers. It just pulls right out of there. It's not too hot. Oh, that juicy meat. Oh my gosh. Marceau, how do you keep this fish to yourself? Except you didn't. You brought it over for us to share and try. Thank you so much for this fish. You guys make sure, it'll be linked below. Marceau has a fishing Instagram. You can go follow his adventures there. I think it was Mars Fishing, so just go over there, follow him. And also you can follow his tattoo page. He owns the Anchor and Rose Tattoo Shop in Tulsa. If you're in Tulsa and you want an awesome tattoo, go to them. They've pretty much sleeved out my whole arm. They got my leg done, so they are awesome people.
I'll get my water, that's spicy.
It is a little spicy, has some heat to it.
Why is it so spicy?
So guys, how do you cook fish? Because I've had quite a few people ask me to cook fish on the channel. These two videos are our first fish cooks. I think they turned out amazing. When you start out with really good fish, it's hard to go wrong. This is amazing. So thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks, Little Gorilla, for coming back and doing another video.
Yes.
What should we cook next time? More cow parts, apparently. Maybe we can get a heart if my buddy Tim will give me some heart.
Oh, yeah. Mom's
Chef.
gonna hate it.
Maybe my buddy Tim can get his new cow and he can bring the heart over and we can do a video with it.
My mom's gonna hate it.
Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time. Make sure you like, subscribe, share out. Go watch the last video. 500 likes, I'm going to get a tattoo and we're filming the whole thing.
Yeah.
We'll see you next time.